That's the next big thing. Cameras that can make everything invisible. So when you watch it, you don't know what you're watching. It's just all invisible. It's like, what am I watching? And you can't hear anything either because it's all quiet. Because it makes everything quiet. So it's like you're just watching a blank screen with nothing on it. Yeah, man, this is the best. This is the best video I've ever watched. This is a test. Buongiorno test. It's a Buongiorno test. I think I'm back with you again with a little what you would call it? What you feel like? What you want? A little setup test I'm doing here. Maybe I'll put this on there, the YouTube. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. I'm just trying out a new. We got the GoPro 7 and the separate Tascam audio recording device. I'm trying to get better audio. Trying to get a better audio. See how it turns out. Not liking the muffledness as much as the other videos had some muffledness. It's the Saturday afternoon, early evening, whatever. It's cooling down a little bit. It acts like it wants to rain, but we haven't had rain in so long. It's been like over 50 days or something out here, so it's pretty dry. And I'm just trying to get some testing in here. Testing. I got the new Hero with the media mod coming Monday, which will probably be my setup going forward. But right now, I'm just trying this to see if I have an alternate, a little bit different plan, better quality. The only hassle with this plan is that having to sync the audio later. I'm hoping it's not going to be that big of a deal. I've done it before. I'll do it again. I'm going to go run and get some gasoline, some petrol, and for tomorrow morning I'm planning on getting up early and doing a little bit of riding. But this is just a little precursor to that. See how it goes. If it works out good, we'll do the same thing tomorrow. If not, then oh well. Oh well, my friends. What else can I say? Not much. What's that? Part of somebody's car. Anyway, away. And that's it. $3.75 a gallon. Holy shit. Oh. Thanks. Thank you so much. I think I'm going this way. I'll leave the visor up a little bit and we'll see how it sounds. We'll go into the description of the setup. The setup of what we got here in the helmet. We'll start with the helmet. It is the AGV AX9 Carboni helmet. I'll close it. It's the AGV AX9 carbon helmet. I got the purple Panda. I'm screaming. Hopefully it's not too loud. Purple Panda microphone jammed in the left side of my face. And we have the Tascam. I don't know which one it is. Older version. It's the larger one. It's not the little small tiny thing. I think I got it for $100 a few years ago. That's stuffed in my hey, what the heck, man? Come on, Jimmy, get the shifting right. Yeah, it's stuffed in my chest, extra pocket here in my Dainese Super Rider textile jacket. Sport Rider, whatever it is, SPR, you see that there? I don't know. Whatever the version it is, it's a textile jacket. I'm feeling some good airflow here. It's not too bad. I can feel it where the mesh is on my arms. It's got some good airflow, which I like. And in the nice, the golden hour here, 7:20 in the Pacific Northwest here on a Saturday. August, whatever day it is, it's 7th, 8th, 9th, I don't know, 7th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, testing. And once again, everywhere to go. What else I got going on? I got the GoPro Hero 7. Set in 4K. Which way? I want to go this way. Let's check it out this way. No plan to go, just kind of do a little short ride here. Feel it out. Record some footage, go back home, put it on the computer, see what it looks like, and see what I'm going to do tomorrow. Where all the good stuff comes out. This is all B material. B material. But so far, I like this AX9 helmet. And my initial impressions, I've only wore it twice. This is the second time. It's just comfortable. It's a little bit more comfortable than the AX8. I think the vision is a little bit better than the AX8. It comes with the pinlock visor, which is an upgrade from the AX8. I think the padding is a little bit better than the AX8. The shape is very similar. The venting feels pretty good. I feel some air flowing, which is nice. I have, what else? I got the mirrored visor on there. Looks good. I took the, whatever the thing is called. I'm drawing a blank here. Got the visor, the top thing. The thing that goes on the top. Whatever that thing is called, put it down in the comments and let me know. But I took it off. Because I don't need it. That's more for off-road things, I think, than for street. But I love the AX8. It was my main moto vlogging, messing around, just throw it on and it's ready to go, helmet, comfortable, all that stuff. So, obviously now it's the AX9, which is a little bit of upgrades here and there. The chin guard thing, little, whatever you call it. I'm just I can't think of anything today, so I apologize. If you want to put whatever that thing is called down here by the chin, the little chin guard, breath guard, whatever the little thing insert is upgraded also as well compared to the AX8. I'm gonna turn over here. Here's a nice Mustang. Nice Mustang for you. Some cows. But yeah, it's overall a better helmet, I think, so far. I'll let you know down the road when I've got some more time in it, riding with it, and whatnot. There's my word. Whatnot, anyways, and whatever, whatchamacallit. Those are all the key Naked Bike Mike words. You could probably count how many times I say it in a video. Anyways, whatnot, and whatchamacallit. I'm just kind of, I know it says, we'll go straight. Yeah, we'll go straight. I'm just going around in circles out here in the hills, just enjoying the nice little cloudiness, and the weather is good. I put up my last video, my first video on this bike last week. Got, 100 views or so. People like it. The usual people, my friends. I'm sure people don't like it. The one thing I don't understand is, I guess it wasn't that good because I lost 2 subscribers right after I published the video. I'm thinking, hey, I'm gonna put out a new video. I haven't published any videos in years. New video on a new bike that's kind of popular. Not that I'm popular, but people want to hear about it. And I lose 2 subscribers in the first week that I publish a new video. That make no sense, man. I'm confused. I don't know what happened. If you're one of the 2 people that unsubscribed from me, where'd you go? Let me know why. What did I do wrong? Come back, please. I need you. I need all the subscribers I can get. Not really, but hey. You don't like it? Move on, I guess. Can't please everybody. And if you've been around long enough, you know that I don't do crazy stuff. I don't do silly, put my life on the line just to get views. I don't do any of that stuff because, first of all, I care about. Whoa, hey, watch out, buddy! I'm coming now. Let me come through. I gotta go to work. I got family. I got kids and great kids that care and worry about me. So I gotta be smart. I'm not a 20-year-old, with any kind of 20-year-old that thinks I'm invincible. I'm a 52-year-old that knows from first-hand experience, just taking back a few years ago, that, what is this, some nice houses. Wow! That's all I can say. Maybe one day I can live in one of those nice houses. Not if I keep buying bikes like this. That's for sure, right, man? Right? Yeah, right. Anyway, there you go with anyways. So yeah, I just I know that I just can't do crazy stuff. I still have fun. I still enjoy it. Yeah, I'm not breaking any speed records, dragging my knees and leaning and all this stuff and all that crap. But I'm still out here having fun. That's all that matters, right? That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Trying to make a better impression. Quality is number 1 for the Naked Bike brand. Quality number 1. Man, can't you tell? Watch the videos. They're all quality. Quality from start to finish. You can watch them backwards and they're even better. That's what I plan on doing tonight. I'm going to record one backwards. I'm going to put my bike in reverse. I'm going to go backwards down the street. And it's going to be even better than going frontwards. I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to use the force. I'm just going to sit there and focus straight ahead. I'm going to use the force to guide myself down the street. See how that works out. Hey buddy, what's up, man? So, what's a deer? I don't see no deer. Look at this. This is cool. Look at this hill. You're going down, and then you go right back up. It's like a wall of road straight ahead. I'm going to jump off the world with this one. Get enough speed, I'm going to jump into freaking California. Or the Pacific Ocean. I'm going to jump over the coastal range here in a minute. All this crap going on. Anyway, no, there you go again. Anyways, let's shut it down. This is Naked Bike. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This will be hopefully like maybe I'll try to cut it down to like 5 minutes of jibber jab. Try to just edit it all down. Just Key points. Bullet points. That's all you want. Some high-level stuff. And we'll see you next time. Arrivederci, ciao, and a goodbye, my friends, as we come to a stoplight. We'll see you next time. Oh, I'm going to stall it out because I'm not paying attention. Pay attention, man. It's a green light. What you doing? See you next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.